Have you ever wondered what naturopathy actually means? I'm a naturopathic practitioner, but in the UK, less people understand what that is compared to my other discipline of nutritional therapy. Naturopaths believe that we all have an inherent ability to heal ourselves, given the right tools and techniques to do so. We understand that symptoms are a sign of some sort of imbalance that's going on in the body. And as naturopaths, we're looking for the root cause to try and bring that body back into balance. We also recognize that we are all unique individuals, and therefore we could all eat exactly the same diet and be exposed to the same lifestyle and stress. And yet some people may experience ill health and others won't. And part of this is going back to our genetic makeup, which is influencing how we express our symptoms and our health today. So that just gives you a little bit of an introduction. And in part 2 of this, I'll go on to talk about the 3 arms that make up the 3 arms to naturopathy and why I talk about a 3-legged stool to your health.